Time now for this hour's feature. Mr. Jeffrey Zekin has How to Become a Stunt Driver.
Well, there's several ways, but the one I picked out here, there's several schools. There's actually one here in Houston. We'll get to that in a bit. But one that I looked at was the Bobby Orr Stunt Driving School. It stands out for its extensive educational offerings. They prioritize having the most seat time. So if you're in there and you want to get seat time and you really, really want to learn, Bobby Orr Stunt Driving School is one of the top ones. There's many others.
You got to pay to get in this?
You do. I'm sure there's other ways of. There's other schools have different prices for doing this, and you can do different things. You can do certain racing techniques. You can do stunt driving to jumps and things. But this is how it works. You get in there, and you have to have a vehicle prepared so the participants will gain knowledge about preparing a vehicle and setting it up just to do those particular stunts they want to do. Specialized skills. The curriculum, now Mike, this is for you. The curriculum is focused on specialized skills, includes the mastery and refinement of 180-degree turns, sliding 90-degree turns, and spot-on 180-degree reverse turns.
You know all about that because you've had your way with those on-ramp acceleration tests that got out of control.
A school would be good because I tried doing some of that before, and it just
did that on the way here this morning.
It's not one of those things you can learn real well on your own.
No, because you're usually in some sort of a panic trying to get out of it.
Well,
exactly.
From novice to professionals, they can take anyone in there and they'll teach you all the same way. So on day one of stunt driving school, comprehensive safety standards. They briefing to prepare the vehicle. You'll unlearn bad habits on the first day, and they try to help you do that. They try to, one hand on the wheel, two hands on the wheel. They offer you that schooling.
Well, there's Mr. Mars right there.
There you go. There's
got
one
it on
for
its
him.
nose.
There's one for him. Let's go ahead and put that on there.
There it is. I was looking for that.
Day 2 of stunt driving school, they will design courses for the individual. If you're looking for something in particular, you can tell them and they'll design the course for it. You can learn or refine the driving skills that they offer you. It's a very comprehensive program, and they'll go A to Z, soup to nuts on everything you want to do. Systematically work with breaking the bad habits as they do on the day 1, and they'll introduce some advanced techniques, enabling you to execute the safe way to do some of these stunts. So on day 3, stunt driving schools are tailored for individuals who crave extensive hands-on experience. So if you want to learn how to do jumps, they focus on that. If you want to slides or reverse slides,
I want to be in the car
that.
when they do one of those explosion things.
Oh, no, I wouldn't. No. Sometimes those are without people in them, but, go to the school and find out. They could blow you up. Let's get blowed up. After completing the initial course, then they'll get with the precision timing, and they'll look at what you want to do, and then they'll hone those techniques for the drifting techniques, both front wheel and rear wheel drive. So they'll give you a brief recap, and then they'll tell you whether you're worth going ahead and doing it if you want to get more. So some of the driving schools, and of course, John is probably at one right now with the
Barber.
Right, the Barber. But you've got Bondurant School of High Performance Driving in Chandler, Arizona. They do that. Skip Barber School in New Jersey and in Houston. They do that. Allenberg Racing Schools in Canada. Team O'Neill Rally School in Dalto, New Jersey, and of course the Bertel Ruse Racing School in Palm Beach and in Pocono. So any one of those, you can satisfy your need for speed, become a stunt driver, and someday you might be doing it. And it's for men and women, for novice, and all that good stuff.
Or get to know one of those stunt drivers out in Hollywood and go by word of mouth. Oh, Jeff Zekin with the Jeff Zekin Stunt Driving Academy. He sent me. Oh, okay. Well, we'll get you right in.
He knows Mike Mars, so you're in.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, today.